Coming down to digital clamp meter, here is our off. Here is our arms. In our arms, we are having 1000 arms. That means this our meter can contain up to 1000 amps. Down here we have also arms and the hands. Okay. No, we have arms here only. Here we have, down here, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Down here we have volts, both DC volts and AC volts. Now it's being regulated with this button. This button is known as what button? It's either function button. Yeah. It's being regulated there. Here is our hands. Here is our ohms and the continuity. Here again is our volts based on our log. Here is our temperature degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius, and there is another thing that you read there. But more of all these things are capacitors here also. When you tune it there, you regulate with your functions, ranks, and all the rest. But most at times, what I want you to concentrate for now, these capacitors, Fahrenheit, what I want you to concentrate for now is your arms. When you set it, this meter at arms, what do you do? When you set it at arms, there is a clip at the back there. A clip at the back, a clip here. See that clip here? This clip, this particular clip here. What you do is you push it. You push. The wire now will now enter in between here. When the wire enters here, you clamp it like this. Clamp it like this. Then it will show you. We'll particularize it next time. Clamp it like this. Clamp a cable like this. Most of the time, single cable. Clamp cables individually. Right, finally, we show you how many amps that is passing through that wire. Okay. So, what I would like you to concentrate for now is your arms, volts, and this particular place, your continuity. Thank you.